Good morning, scholars. Welcome to PRNZ TV. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for the passage from the Declaration of Independence. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness, that to secure these rights, governments are instituted among men, deriving their just powers from the consent of the governed. Please be seated for a moment of silence. Good morning. Today is Monday, February 6th, 2017, and here are your morning announcements. Today's lunch is bacon cheeseburger, corn, and milk. We have lots of cafeteria scholars from Friday. It was a good day in the cafeteria. Mrs. Mount's class, Mrs. Parkey's class, Mrs. Freitag's class, Mrs. Garcia's class, Mrs. Bronson's class, Miss Owen's class, Miss Shuttlerose's class, Mrs. Keckley's class, Mrs. Pearsall's class, Mrs. Palmer's class, Miss Rathbun's class, Miss Goldsmith's class, Miss Glavin's class, Mrs. Holt's class, Miss Levine's class, Miss McLaughlin's class, Miss Byron's class, Miss Mueller's class, and Mrs. Harrison's class. Remember, one of the things I'm going to be looking for when I'm giving cafeteria scholars this month is that I'm also seeing kindness in the cafeteria. That means we're being kind to our fellow scholars at your table and using nice words and sharing, making room at the table for them, all the kind things that you do in the cafeteria. All right, birthdays today. We have a couple of birthdays. Darcy C. turns 11 today, and Sophia Sanchez turns 7 today. Make sure you go to the office and get your birthday scholar tag and your coupon for a Otter Pop. All right, our class meeting today, our topic is, how can you show kindness in your classroom? So talking about kindness in the classroom. Our AR progress for Accelerated Reader, third quarter to date, we are at 3.7 million words. So far for the year, we're at 18.1 million words, and our goal for the entire year is 30 million. So it looks like we're a little bit more than halfway there, and we're a little bit more than halfway in the year. So we're on track. We might need to pick it up a little bit if we want to make that 30 million for the entire year. Remember, if you are interested in Girl Scouts, we need you to go to the office and get one of these flyers about the upcoming Girl Scout meeting. We have some really exciting things getting ready to happen next week for Love of Reading Month, and there are signs around the school that the student council students made where you can see what's going to be happening each day, and your teacher has that information too. We'll start announcing it a little bit later in the week. Our academic vocabulary for this week is interpret and figurative language. You're going to talk about these in your classroom. How do you use figurative language and how do you use interpret? All right. Our university this week is the University of Washington. You might notice my friend right here. This is Harry the Husky, and he is UW's mascot. The University of Washington is located in Seattle, Washington, which is about 1,600 miles from Tucson. It would take about 26 hours to drive there. And some things that were invented at UW, or the University of Washington, were bubblegum, vinyl, synthetic rubber, and the color TV tube. So if you enjoy watching TV in color, you have the University of Washington to thank for that. All right, time for our Mustang Scholar Pledge. On my honor, I promise to be a scholar, treat others as I would like to be treated, be respectful, responsible, safe, and kind, and take pride in my school and myself. I am college bound. Okay, boys and girls, here's our new Avid cheer for the week. It is called the hamburger. It goes like this. It goes, shh, shh, not done, shh, shh, not done, shh, shh, well done. Have a great day, scholars.